Okay, today we're looking at our Chapter 10, Extra Practice, getting ready for our test that we're going to have next week. So we've been converting measurements, customary measurements, as in inches, yards, feet, pounds, ounces, gallons, quarts, cups, pints. And we've also converted some metric measurements, like meters, liters, and grams. So let's look at this first one. We're going from a large measurement to a small measurement. What are we going to do?
Multiply.
Okay, so large to small equals multiply. So what's the other one? Small to large equals divide, right? So if I have 8 yards, how many feet is that? How many feet are in a yard?
24.
How many feet are in a yard? 3. So it would equal 24. I think that's what she was saying. And remember on number 2 that we're going from a small to a large, so we're going to divide. What is our remainder going to be in this one? It's going to be in the inches. Okay. Is there another one you can see where we would have to divide? That's a small, here's one, 112 ounces to pounds. We would have to divide 112 by what? 16. And how many times will 16 go into 112? Let's try 7. 7 times 6 is 42. I chose it because it had a 2 there. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11, so this one is 7 pounds.
That's also number 7 too.
Okay. Okay, we're going to go on down. On 13 through 24, you're going to have to do the same thing you did up here, but you're going to have to tell me if it's less than, greater than, or equal to. So 9 feet. We can either say 9 feet is how many yards? We divide it by 3. So this is 3 yards. Or 4 divided by, or 4 times 3 is 12 feet. So you could do that either way. So 4 yards is larger or greater than 9 feet. Then you will have to look through those and decide what you have to do. Okay, on the back, it's word problems. Okay, an office supply company is shipping a case of paper to school. There are 10 reams of paper in a case. If each ream of paper weighs 32 ounces, what is the weight in pounds of a case of paper? So this is more than one step, right? What are we going to have to do first? The office supply company is shipping a case of paper. There are 10 reams of paper in each case, and each ream weighs 32 ounces. What is the weight? Okay, what do you think we should do first? All right, so 10 reams of paper in a case, and they weigh 32 ounces. So some of us want to divide 32 divided by, what did you say, 16? And that's going to get us 2. So each one of those reams weighs 2 pounds. So 10 times 2 is equal to 20 pounds. Okay, we're going to move down to lesson 10.7, and we're going to try number 3. We have 270 minutes, and they want us, 270 minutes, and they want us to make that into, what? Hours and minutes. So what are we going to divide by? How many minutes? 60. How many? Okay, let's forget about these zeros for now. How many 6s in 27? 4. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is 24, leaving us 30 So I have 30 over 60 or
1/2.
1/2. So what, or you could just use your 30. So 4 hours and 30 minutes, since that's how they want it. Good luck on the rest of your paper.